A very good morning to everyone. Now we are going to discuss a third chapter, that is minerals. So, can anyone define what is a mineral? In the earlier class we have described, right, what is a rock. A rock is comprised of two or three minerals. Then what is a mineral? Can anyone guess what is a mineral? Is iron, copper, is it mineral, or calcium sulfate? Is it also a mineral? Can anyone guess? Let us know. Minerals are nothing but a naturally occurring homogeneous element, means one element. It can be iron, it can be copper. See, whatever, even single homogeneous element or an inorganic compound that has a chemical composition and specific geometric form. See, calcium, sulfur, oxygen together form a single compound. So inorganic compound is also termed as a mineral. Means gypsum is called mineral. Calcium sulfate CaSO4 2H2O is termed as a mineral. So if you see, it is a naturally occurring homogeneous element or an inorganic compound that has a chemical composition and a characteristic geometric form. If you see the example, two or more elements combined. As I already told you, gypsum, calcium, sulfur, oxygen, all three combine to form a calcium sulfate, which is also termed as a gypsum. It is also a mineral. 2H2O. Olivine, magnesium and iron twice SiO4. So similarly, one element that is homogeneous element, even iron is a mineral, copper is a mineral, calcium is a mineral. So among minerals there are metal, non-metals. So metals if you see iron, copper, calcium, and non-metals if you see carbon, sulfur, and silica. Right. Now, distribution in the earth crust. Okay, among 2000 known minerals, which is the topmost mineral which is often seen in the earth crust is, there we say it is silicate. The silicate minerals are seen occupied 90% of the mineral composition of the rock's earth crust. Can anyone tell why is silica? Have you anyone remembered? The rock is the primary rock, the igneous rocks is formed through molten magma, which is a hot silica body. When this molten magma come out, when the volcanic eruption occur, when this molten magma come out, that get cooled out to form the primary rock called igneous rock. It means magma is made up of hot silica body. That silica body is coming out and getting cooled and formed into a rock. So there itself, the origin itself is made up of silica. So that's why among all 2000 known minerals, you can see the silicate minerals occupy 90% of the earth crust. If you see in this diagram also, among 27.7% is made up of silica compared to the all minerals. We can see. Next, moving on to silica. If you see the structure of a silica, this silica is termed as a tetrahedron. Tetra means four. Means the silica is surrounded by four oxygen atoms. See, it's a fundamental building block of silicate minerals of the earth crust. If silica is combined with the other, the silica structure is silica, it has four oxygen atoms. Silica will be in the center and the four oxygens will be there. If you can see in this picture, so silica will be in the center and four oxygen atoms will be surrounded like this is called silicon oxygen tetrahedron. So it is given with the formula of SiO4 to the power of minus 4. A central silica atom is surrounded by four oxygen atoms. So now anyone can say silica is termed as silica tetrahedron. Silica is surrounded by four oxygen atoms. So it occupies 90%, right? Now, in minerals itself, there are again categorized into primary minerals, secondary minerals. You can guess. The rocks, the primary rock is called igneous rock, the secondary rock is called sedimentary rock, right? The mineral which is formed through the primary rock is called primary minerals. The minerals which are formed from the sedimentary rocks are called secondary minerals. There itself is clear. Now moving on to examples. What are the primary minerals? There are ferromagnesium, non-ferromagnesium. Name itself indicates ferromagnesium. Ferro means iron, magnesium is magnesium. These two comprised minerals are they categorized into one category, and non-ferro, no iron, no magnesium, but other minerals they combine together to form, those are called termed into another non-ferromagnesium. If you can see the example of ferromagnesium, there are orthosilicate, phyllosilicate. In olivines, they have iron, magnesium. That's why it is ferromagnesium. Iron and magnesium are in dominant concentration. Similarly, if you see the pyroxene, also calcium, sodium, but iron, magnesium. If you can see in this ferromagnesium, all iron and magnesium will be there. If you can see non-ferro, there are no iron and magnesium. Other than iron, magnesium, if there are some other minerals, those comes under non-ferromagnesium minerals. Example, tectosilicates, albite, anorthite. See, albite, they have sodium and aluminum, and anorthite, calcium and aluminum. If you can see secondary minerals which are formed from the secondary clay minerals, right? So, the example, it can be made up of not iron, magnesium. It can be of all sodium, potassium, and all. Hope you understood.